Good morning, students. Very happy to get in touch with you after a gap of about 2-3 months. We were all worried whether we'll be able to get in touch with you, but thanks to technology, we are able to communicate with one another and start the classes. We should not wait for the good things to happen. And I'm sure that all of you will be also eagerly waiting for the online classes to start. So what we have planned and what we are trying to do, what the school is trying to do, we will just give you a small explanation. And of course, you will be getting all communication by WhatsApp messages every day. So what the school is going to do is, we are going to use the technology to impart the knowledge, impart education by taking online classes, live classes, and giving assignments online and all these things. So we are going to use some online platforms. Okay, for example, we thought we will use Microsoft Teams. It's a good platform, which is safe also for the teachers and the students as well, for the parents as well, if your students are using parents' mobiles. So using this, we can take classes online, live classes. The teachers will be able to take live classes. At the same time, they can upload their assignments, they can upload their materials, the videos, PowerPoint presentation, all that. So all these things will be loaded. The teachers would have already done. So there will be also assessment online. The question papers will be given. There will be quiz and other things given online. It is only for the children to go inside and work on this. And most of the communications will be sent to you by WhatsApp. For example, if there is any video to be given, if a child needs to see a video, we will give the link through WhatsApp. Any important communication, all these things will be given in the WhatsApp. So that is going to be our main medium of communication to all of you. We have asked our teachers to start preparing for the last 1 month, and they've been working very hard. They've been undergoing a lot of training and they've learned a lot of things. Okay, because we always believe St. Peter's School should do the best when it comes to a new venture, and I'm sure that you will be able to find it out very soon. So I just told you what the school is trying to do, what we are planning to do. Now what the children have to do, the children in the first place, you have to keep watching the messages in the WhatsApp. Okay, a lot of communications will come to you. The teachers will give you instructions. We will give you a lot of instructions and links will be given to you. So you have to keep on watching. Every 1 hour, every half an hour, you have to keep watching right from now. Soon after you receive this message, you have to keep watching. And then you will also be given the user ID and password as we already communicated to you. So use that user ID and password to get access to the classes, live classes, and to download the materials that we have uploaded, the assignments, the questionnaires and things like that. And you will be given a particular time to complete all the assignments. The teachers would have sent it by WhatsApp, or it will be there in that platform itself. Based on that, you have to prepare yourselves well and you have to finish that assignment on time and you have to upload them. Or you can send it by WhatsApp. So however the teachers ask you to do, you can send it and see that these things are done without any delay. There will be some objective type questions given to you, periodical assignment in the end of the class or once in 2 days or things like that. And these online objective type questions or quizzes will be automatically corrected by the platform itself, by the computer itself. So you will be able to know how your performance is. If in case you have some doubts in any particular subject, you attended a class this morning and you have a doubt, end of the class you can send a WhatsApp message to the teacher and tell that you didn't understand a particular concept. You can even speak to the teachers, and teachers are always ready and they are prepared to help you in this. And finally, for the parents, what you have to do is, first of all, you have to give a very good atmosphere for the children for learning, a conducive atmosphere learning. You have to give them good infrastructure, like you have to give them a good device. It could be a laptop or it could be a mobile phone. And please give them very good internet connection. Now internet packages, the net packs are very easy to get, and you get a lot of data in that, so you can use them. Please give them, because we don't want your children to miss out on any particular thing. And you need to monitor your children every day, morning and evening. You have to monitor, you have to check the WhatsApp messages that we have sent to your children and find out whether your children have completed that work. Encourage them to be very prompt in answering all those questions, doing the assignments. If there is any program, any quiz or anything, please help them out to do that. And talk to the teachers in case you have any doubts. If you are not able to figure out what your child is going to do, and the child is in a mess, I mean, not able to understand what he or she has to do, you can help out by talking to the teacher and getting some help from the teachers, and then you can help your children to do all this work properly. So I'm sure that with all three working together, the teachers, the parents, and the children, your children will not miss out anything. How long we don't know, maybe another 2 months or 3 months till the government tells us to start the school. We'll be able to make your children get ready for the coming year. So please remember, children, that you will be awarded marks for your participation, how many times you are logged in, your regularity, your promptness in answering. All these marks will be taken into consideration for awarding you grades. We wish you all the best. All the best to the parents also. Any doubts and clarifications, please feel to call us back. Thank you.